Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Movies. In its project description, you are assistant and assistant manager to at a premier movie score. So it's an online company that enables customer to download movies from for a fee. You need to track movies download sales by January. You gathered the data for April 2024 and organize it in an Excel workbook. You are ready to create charts to help represent the data so that you can make a presentation to your manager later this week. That is our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open the file name Excel Exp22 Excel Chapter 03 Cumulative Assessment Movies. I have already downloaded this file. That is our file. We will move to our second step. Our second step is you want to create a pie chart to show the percentage each category contributes to the monthly movies download. Select the range A5 to A10 and F5 to F10 and create a pie chart and move the chart to a new sheet, April pie chart. So copy this name. Select the range A5 to A10 and F5 to F10. So select the range A5 to A10, then press Ctrl and then F5 to F10. Go to the Insert tab. In the chart, you will select a 2D pie chart and move the chart to a new sheet, name as a April pie chart and press OK. We have got our April pie chart in a new sheet. That's our second step. Our third step is the chart needs a descriptive title that is easy to read. Type April 2024 download by January. Control C and paste it as a chart title. Paste that one as a chart title. And apply bold 18 font size and black text 1 font color. So we need to apply, we will go to the home tab, we will select this and apply bold and 18 font color. And what is font color? 18 font size and black text 1 font color. So we will select black text 1 font color. That is our required third step. Our fourth step is percentage and category data label will provide identification information for the pie chart. Add data label in the inside and position. So we will go to the data labels. We will go here, data label, and select inside and position. That is our select this inside and position. Inside, select the category name and percentage labels. So you will go to the more option. Select category name and percentage. Remove value data labels and the legend. Value data label, that is our value data label, and we need to deselect the legends. Apply 14 font size and black text 1 font color to the data label. So select this one, increase the size 14 and what font color? Apply black text 1 font color. So we will go to here and select black text 1 font color. So we have applied this. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is you want to focus on comedy movies by exploding it and changing its fill color. Explode the comedy slice by 7%. So select the comedy slide, that is our comedy slide, and explode this one up to 7%. No, we need to select only. Select this one only. So you will get comedy slide to explode up to 7%. In this way we have exploded our comedy slide to 7%. and apply dark red fill color. So and apply this one, dark red fill color. That's our dark red fill color. Apply this one. We have applied dark red fill color and exploded this one up to 7%. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is a best practice is to include all text for accessibility compliance. Add all text. Select this one and copy this one and paste this one into the as a all text. We will select the all table and press the right button on your mouse. So you will get view all text. In the view all text you will paste your all text. We have pasted our all text in the for this table. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is next you want to create a combo chart to depict the monthly total and percentage by category. Display the data sheet. We will go to the data sheet. That's our data sheet. Select the range A4 to A10 and F4 to G10. We will select A4 to A10 and F4 to G10. That's our selection. And then create a clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart. So we will go to the insert tab and what is saying clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart. So we will go to the recommended charts and in this we will go to the all charts and here we will select the combo chart. So here you need to select the column as a clustered column line on secondary axis. He is saying that clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart. So select this one and press OK. We have got our clustered column chart line on secondary axis. That's our seventh step. Our eighth step is you want to position the chart below the data source. Cut the chart and paste in the cell A13. We will cut the chart by pressing Ctrl X. Cut this chart by Ctrl X and paste in the cell A13, that is in the A13, and change the height to 3.5 and width to 6. Change the height 3.5 and width to 6. Width to 6 inches. We have applied height to, you will see, 3.5 and width to 6%. That's our chart. That's our 8th step. Our 9th step is change the compo chart title to April 2024 downloads. We will copy this and paste it as a chart title. That's our chart title. Apply black text 1 font color to the chart title. Black text 1 font color. We will select this one and go here. Select black text 1 font color. We apply it to the chart title. That's our 9th step. We have total 22 steps of this assignment. I have performed in this video 9 steps. And if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. or you will just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.